Today, we are reviewing one of the most iconic handbags. So excited about this review. Today, we are reviewing the one, the only, the Lady Dior bag. This bag has been around for a while. It is such an iconic bag, so I am so excited to do this review. I have been wanting this bag for a while, so let's get into it. Thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Brooke. I do a ton of fashion and lifestyle content. I love doing handbag reviews, fashion reviews, so if that's your cup of tea or you enjoy watching those videos, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fashion content. So let's begin. Let's bring this baby out. So I don't know if you know the history of the Lady Dior, but Princess Diana made this bag super popular, super famous, and they actually renamed it after her. They renamed it the Lady Dior. I think she was known for carrying the medium Lady Dior bag around. However, I find that as of now and recent past years, the mini Lady Dior and the small Lady Dior are more popular than the medium, and I feel like people tend to buy those more. So I personally bought the small Lady Dior. I thought it suited me the best, and this handbag is super special to me because we got this handbag as a gender reveal for our baby girl. I will post the gender reveal short video, or I will link it to this video. Yes, it was amazing. We went to the Dior store and did our full gender reveal there. We found out we're having a baby girl, so this bag means a lot to me. So let's go ahead and bring her out. So since we're having a baby girl, can you guess what color I got? It was only right. It was just meant to be that we have a baby girl because we were having a gender reveal at the Dior store, and just who doesn't love a good pink? Look at her. She is beautiful. First things first, you know that I always talk about the price first. So let's get into the price. So the price of this baddie before taxes, the listing price is $6,200 US. Yes, she is pricey, but she is worth it. And this beautiful thing is lambskin, 100% lambskin on the outside. Inside it has goat skin and lambskin lining. I love this pattern. It's like a nice quilted, it gives it a quilted appearance looking pattern. It is super cute, super girly, perfect to give to my baby girl when she becomes of age. Or another reason why the small Lady Dior is popular or a good size to pick is because I believe the small one is the only one that comes with the ABC charms. So let me show you. It also comes with a detachable strap, which is nice. And you get the first 3 charms are free, and then you could add, I believe, up to 6. I think it's like each 70 extra US dollars, but I got my initials and this cool star. So that's pretty cool that it comes with this. And then you get the cute little Dior charms. You have the metal finishes. I kept the plastic on this metal so it won't get scratched up. And then the inside has a little, it's not really obviously a complete closure, but it has a flap to prevent things from falling out, which is a very nice piece. And then inside, you'll notice that I bought a bag, what's it called? I'm just pregnancy brain. I bought a bag insertion device for my bag to keep it clean because I didn't want any lip gloss or anything spilling inside this pricey baby, you know what I mean? So this, oh, bag insert, there we go. I put a bag insert in here, and it also happens to be pink and matches perfectly. I got it from Amazon. I will link this bag insert in the description box. but it's nice because the bag insert has 4 pockets, but inside the actual Lady Dior bag, it has 1 pocket on one side, and then on the other side, it has a zipper. You can see the zipper. But like I said, I'm leaving my bag insert in this bag because it just helps it keep it neat and clean, and it kind of helps the shape. So it's like a win-win situation for me. Also, you'll see that I got this, I believe it's pronounced Twilly. I got it on one handle so I could protect the handle. I plan on getting an additional one for this handle so I can keep both handles clean and just help with the all-around longevity, durability of this bag. And next, let's talk about the sizing, which I already went into the sizing with the Lady Dior's. You can get the mini, you can get the small, you can get the medium and the large. In my personal opinion, I think the medium and the large are just too big. It's just not my vibe, but if that's your vibe, go for it. But I think the mini and small are perfect for me. And if I got another one, I would probably get the mini one. And sizing wise of what you can put in here, obviously you can put a wallet will fit in here, no problem. Your cell phone will fit in here, no problem. With your cell phone, you could do a lip gloss, obviously, and some sunglasses. So you do have, it's like a decent space. You can't fit a whole lot. And this is the type of bag that I will bring to a nice evening out, maybe a nice bougie brunch with my bestie, but you're not gonna wanna put a bunch of stuff in here anyways, or I won't. So it does have a pretty good space for your phone, wallet, lip gloss, and shades. And then we can talk about the durability. Obviously, I just got this bag, so I can't speak on how durable it is, but if you check back in the comments, I will try to give you updates in 6 months to see how the wear and tear is going. But this is one of my nice bags. I don't plan to wear it every day. It's not an everyday bag, so I think that the longevity of this bag will be just fine. And styling, so I've already said styling, this is nice evening bag for a nice date night with the hubs or boyfriend, or a special nice girls night out dinner, a nice bougie brunch with some friends. And honestly, you can wear this year round. It would go really well in the spring with some springy outfits. It's a nice pastel pink. Oh, this pink, by the way, is called Pale Pink. Pale Pink is one of Dior's signature pinks. So yes, this is one of their classic pinks, and it's a nice like pastel pink, so you could wear it in the spring, but you can wear it year round, and it goes with a lot of things. It just gives me this feeling of elegance and classiness, so I love it. And then back to styling and ways to wear it. Most people wear this bag as a top handle bag, but the small one comes with this strap. It's detachable. All you have to do is attach it to one of the metal rings right here, and you can wear it easily as a crossbody bag. And like I said, it's a nice touch for the small size because you get to customize with some letters like this. And then I think the mini comes with a chain strap, which is also cool, but there we have it. Overall, this is a very nice handbag. It's one of my top handbags for sure. I think it's a great investment. I'm very happy with my purchase, and it's super special to me because as well, we were able to do our baby girl's gender reveal at the Dior store between a blue and pink Lady Dior bag. So this will always hold a special place in my heart. So super excited, but this is a great bag. So hang tight. We will do an up close and personal view. I will model it real quick as a top handle bag. you guys. So thanks for tuning in. Let's give this video a thumbs up. All the links will be below in the description box. Make sure you tune in for my next videos. I have a lot of exciting things coming up. Can't wait to share with you guys.